Good morning. Welcome to you all to our product demo. Our product name is Field Engineer Smart Companion, and it is built in cooperation with Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub. The goal of the Field Engineer Smart Companion product is to provide 24/7 expert support, knowledge to all the field engineers and learn how to provide human-like support to resolve real-time problems by faster extraction of data, support of multiple local languages, image, text, speech, videos, and many more. Let me show you how the product looks like. So this is our demo page where you can see the product Field Engineers Tech Assistant is supported by AI and generative AI on the data which we have provided. To start with, if we ask how to pair a smartphone with a door using the sliding door manager, I can just click on this button and I see it is trying to fetch the information from the documents that I provided. It just not only shows the list, but also it shows a citation where I can go and find out where the information is there. So for me as a field engineer, it's very easy to go there, find out the right information, and also get to know how to support my end customer in near real time. If I would like to get more information, what are the supporting content which help me to get into it, and what are the thought process I can get in. Not only that, I can ask any question and and then we get the results. In a similar way, you can also type in the question and get the results by clicking on this button. There are certain additional functionalities like you can get the developer configuration. You can also clear the chat to start with again, and also GitHub support. Coming back, what is our primary features of the product and the product? So the Field Engineer Smart Companion will provide 24/7 expert knowledge in the situation where the right information is crucial for the success of the business with speed and quality. The product features will include AI and generative AI features combined with text, image, videos, and multiple languages. Target market will be the field engineers in many domains like electricity and utility, manufacturing, health and safety, with possibility to extend further. The product USP will be to provide high-level accuracy in response to the field engineers' queries and resolve all kinds of issues in near real time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.